So, any tips for anyone starting out to learn Irish music?
Learn to listen.
Learn to listen.
Yeah. Learn to listen to good players. Sometimes it's really, you hear people coming and they're playing, they've been listening to tapes, and they play along with tapes, and they've got all the sort of speed and everything and all the jizz of it, but they haven't done the homework. They haven't started slowly and got the rhythm and learned how to make little ornamentation which gives the rhythm. Things like rolls and that sort of thing. Say a jig, like the jig, the notes in the jig will be, but the way we play it traditionally now, where we use rolls, which gives the rhythm, and some people don't learn that, and then they get this sort of gobbledygook music that they get from tapes. So very good players on tapes and CDs, and it's never right, you know. But to get the basics first, and then listen to good players.
So learn to listen live, basically.
Play slowly. Well, you need the basics first, because you can't really get it. Well, nowadays I suppose they have all sorts of computers where you can slow down the music and you hear what's happening. But in the old days, people would come, especially from foreign countries, where they hadn't fallen in love with Irish music, gone to sessions, and then they go back and buy the tapes, and then they learn it off, and they play it with the tapes, but they haven't done the basic finger work to learn how it's done in the first place. So they never get it right.
So it's not just listen, then it's look, actually.
Look, listen, and there's more to it than meets the eye, like any other art form, you know. You often see people dancing, and they see people doing set dancing, and they think to just jump up and do it as well. But there's a lot of work goes into it that you don't see unless you study it a little bit.
Yeah.
And a lot of kids are being pushed into playing now because the parents want them to play, and that doesn't always work either.